When you hire Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law and Estate Planning for a life care plan, you will leave the initial meeting with an appointment for a follow-up meeting with your assigned elder care coordinator.
So with the life care plan, the elder care coordinator assumes a main role with the families. And the first thing that we do is schedule an assessment. We like to see our clients where they are, whether it's at home, whether it's in a facility. And so we usually try to schedule an assessment visit, a care visit, within the first couple of weeks after they hire us. That gives me and the elder care coordinators a picture of what the current level of functioning is, because we're not there every day, we're not seeing them all the time. So it gives us a picture to help them identify care needs or know what things look like when things change. So that assessment visit is very key to our making a plan for the care needs of the family. We also help schedule follow-up meetings. Often there's a design meeting or a signing meeting, and that's usually a couple of weeks after that assessment visit, where they come back in the office and they're signing documents. They're meeting with the public benefits specialist to finalize that plan and get that information to them in a timely manner. They work with the legal assistant a lot to maybe get those appointments scheduled, get those documents reviewed before that meeting. And then the elder care coordinator provides that ongoing care and support. So after the initial meeting and visit, we're contacting the family depending on what's going on. If it's an active Medicaid case or there's changes going on, they're moving from one level of care to the other, the elder care coordinator is in contact with that family throughout that process. And then after they're settled, to make sure things are staying in the right vein, that they're getting the care that they expected, that they're getting good care, and that their needs are being met, and there's not another change to consider.
Most of the legal work is completed in the first 30 to 60 days. If a Medicaid application is required, our public benefits coordinator gets involved.
So as a Medicaid specialist, once a family goes forward with our life care plan and they need a Medicaid application, I guide them through that. I'll reach out to the nursing facility and let them know that, hey, we're filing a Medicaid application. This is what the expected patient liability will be. Can we make sure that a PAE is completed, because there is that medical component that's like the gateway to TennCare. And the application process can be really confusing, really detailed, and a goal of mine is to always try to reduce the stress of families, provide comfort to them that we're going to get through the Medicaid application the first time. Some facilities, they have a little anxiety about turning over the application to a law firm, but I've built a reputation with them that they tend to trust me to get through the process.
If the case involves questions about healthcare coverage, our Medicare specialist steps in to help.
As the Medicare specialist, I provide Medicare counseling for all of their Medicare benefits when they're looking at new to Medicare, or if we're just providing assistance to them during the annual enrollment period, we're looking at their plan. What options are they going to go with, whether that be now with them coming in new to Medicare, or their benefits as they're looking at them for the next year when the new year starts. We look at not only their prescription drug plan benefits, but also we look at their Medicare Advantage plan benefits if they have a Medicare Advantage plan.
It usually doesn't take long for clients to experience the value they learned about during the initial meeting.
I had to determine how I could best care for my wife. Johnson McGinnis helped me out with that and identifying a place where I could put my wife where she would be taken care of.
It was truly a transformation for me in my life. I had never been in this particular situation before, and the compassion that they showed to myself as the caregiver, as well as the client, my parents, was just phenomenal.
Ongoing support is part of every life care plan. We encourage our clients to take advantage of educational opportunities, including monthly webinars and learning cafes.
My life became a lot easier knowing that I was doing the right things with their guidance.
Johnson and McGinnis, I cannot say enough kind words.